So what is up mga ka-tech shop, no? For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here a Redmi A1, and as you can see mga ka-tech shop, power button is not working, it's not turning on, but if you charge the phone it's working fine. Alright, so let's go ahead and disassemble the phone mga ka-tech shop. Let's remove SIM card tray and remove the back cover. So after removing back cover mga ka-tech shop, I tested the power button again, or the power switch, and still not working. So it's not the power button problem, it could be a power switch. But let's continue with our troubleshooting. I tested different battery and it's still not working mga ka-tech shop. So something is not working here mga ka-tech shop. I tried turning on the phone without the power switch, and I was able to turn it on. So this means that there's a problem with the power switch. And then upon disassembling the phone, I noticed that there's a corroded area on the motherboard, which connects to the power switch, and also on the power switch flex cable mga ka-tech shop. It's kinda dirty, so it could be that the dirt is preventing the power flex on touching the motherboard. So I had to clean it with an alcohol and cotton buds. Very simple fix mga ka-tech shop. So after cleaning mga ka-tech shop, I tested it again and it's now working. So let's put back the motherboard, the battery, the LCD flex cable, and then I cleaned the back cover mga ka-tech shop because it's kind of dirty right now. Alright, so testing, and it turns on. So job is done mga ka-tech shop. If you're interested in this kind of video mga ka-tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.